What is a gear sleeve? Why would you need one for your zoom lens? And how do you attach it? I'm Dave from Liquid Eye Water Housing Systems, and in this tutorial I will show you how to effectively mount and position the gear sleeve onto your compatible zoom lens. At Liquid Eye Water Housing Systems, all of our water housings include a manual zoom control system built in, allowing you to use your zoom on your compatible lens, with the exception of the C6000 series housing made for the Sony A6000 series cameras. Since the C6000 series is a very compact housing, internal space is limited and the built-in zoom control is made specifically for the power zoom system found on the Sony 16 to 50 millimeter kit lens. Gear sleeves can't be used on these housing series. If you want to use a zoom control for the A6000 series camera, you may want to consider switching to our C2060, which, primarily designed for the Sony A9 or A7 Mark III, can also be adapted for the A6000 series camera. So what is a gear sleeve? It's a sleeve that is mounted onto your zoom lens. The sleeve's gear engages with the housing gears, allowing the lens to be manually zoomed. If you have a gear sleeve supported zoom lens, the gear sleeve is an optional yet necessary component to operate the zoom ring on your lens while in the water. Since lenses come in different lengths and diameters, gear sleeves are specifically designed to work with their compatible zoom lens. If you don't see your lens in our list, it doesn't necessarily mean it's not supported. There are so many lenses and so many variations, we simply can't list them all. Check with our team if they have it in stock, or if they can specially design it for your lens. So how is it attached? Through many years of evolving the gear sleeve, Liquid Eye has designed the current model to be attached without the need of tools or damage to your lens body, making it quick and easy to mount and remove. First, hold the lens with the lens mount towards you. The lens center facing in the upward position. Turn the zoom ring all the way to the right. This will depend on the lens brand you're using. Hold the gear sleeve with the gear teeth towards you and the groove facing in the upward position. The gear teeth should be positioned on the left side of the lens. Line up the gear sleeve's groove with the lens center line and slide on the sleeve. The base of the gear sleeve should sit around 5 to 8 millimeters from the end of the lens, not including the lens mount. This positioning is a little different depending on your camera and water housing model, so you may need to try different positions before getting the perfect fit. Next, mount the lens to the camera body. Remove both the lens rear cap and the camera body cap and mount the lens as you normally would. When loading your gear sleeve set camera into the housing, be aware of the position of the zoom control lever located on the housing's exterior and your positioning preference of using this lever. Slide your camera into the housing slowly and never force anything. If the gears aren't engaging with each other, look through the gap to see if the gear needs to be moved more forward. Remove the camera from the housing and reposition the gear sleeve a couple of millimeters. This may take a couple of tries. Once you find the sweet spot, take note of the position for future reference. I hope this answers any questions you might have with gear sleeves, and if you have any more questions, please leave us a comment below or contact us through our website at liquideye.net. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below to be notified of new videos. And as always, happy shooting!